In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can post a conversation into multiple Microsoft Teams channels. Now, there's a number of different reasons why you might want to do this. So let's take a little look at one particular example. Let's say, for example, I've got a sales team here, and maybe I've got multiple different channels. Now, there's loads of different reasons why you might have different channels. Now, channels will split out not only conversations, but also files as well. Now, you can have private channels, which means that only certain members of the overall team have got access to them, like in this managers only area. And if you're interested in that, please do check out our video talking about the Teams channels. Now, when you've got these different channels, let's say in this case, I've got this sales team. Now I've got different kind of sales sub-team areas all over the world. So in Asia, Australia, India, UK, USA. Now, let's say, for example, we've got a new product that we're launching, and it's only really going to be relevant to, for example, the UK and the USA offices. And I don't need to necessarily post this within the other channels for the other sales team. So let's go into the UK area, and I'm going to create a new conversation, and I'm going to call subject new product XYZ. So within here, I'm going to say, so this is some information about the new product, what it is, and when it is launched. Blah, blah, blah. So this might also include pictures and links and all that sort of good stuff, but it doesn't really matter what the content is. It's more about how we're now posting this into multiple channels. Now you can see across the top up here, we've got this option of post into multiple channels, and this is going to allow me then to select the channels that I wish to post into. Now I can actually post into multiple channels across teams as well, but in this case, I'm only going to be doing it within inside of this particular team. So I'm going to say I'm going to post into UK, and also I'm going to be posting it into the USA as well. So now I click on update. I can see what channels it's going to be posting into. Once I'm happy with that, I just click on this post button, and that's then going to post my conversation in here, but it's also going to post this into the USA area as well. So now I can post this into multiple channels with only actually having to create the conversation the once. I'd say there's loads of different scenarios where different people might use this for different things. I've seen this even before, just where maybe, for example, that there's a post which is going out, and maybe if this is a more like regional offices, and it's just saying, oh, it's such and such birthday today, and there's cakes in the kitchen or something. Obviously, we don't need to send that to all the other regional kind of offices to let them know. But you might have your own purposes why you would wish to use this. I hope you found that really interesting and useful to you. If you did, please do like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Teams tips and training.